Tesco Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Tesco Mobile is a UK-based mobile operator that runs on O2's network, offering reliable coverage and competitive pricing. It provides a range of flexible plans, including pay-as-you-go, SIM-only, and contract deals, making it suitable for budget-conscious users and families looking for cost-effective mobile solutions. One of Tesco Mobile's standout features is its Club Card reward system, allowing customers to earn and use Club Card points to reduce their mobile bill. It also offers capped contracts, preventing unexpected charges by letting users set spending limits. 5G coverage is included in many plans at no extra cost, and network performance is generally strong thanks to O2's infrastructure. Customer service is another key advantage, with Tesco Mobile consistently ranking well in customer satisfaction surveys. The provider offers UK-based support, a straightforward app for managing accounts, and a range of in-store services at Tesco locations. However, there are some limitations. While Tesco Mobile benefits from O2's coverage, speeds can sometimes be slower than premium networks. Also, international roaming isn't as comprehensive as some larger providers, and handset choices may be slightly more limited compared to major carriers. Overall, Tesco Mobile is an excellent choice for users who prioritize affordability, customer service, and straightforward pricing. It's particularly well suited for families, light data users, and those who want to maximize Tesco Club Card benefits. If you've used Tesco Mobile, share your experience in the comments. Check the links in the description for more details.